12 mozzarella string cheese sticks, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons milk, 1½ cups Italian-style breadcrumbs, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese optional, vegetable oil for frying, marinara sauce for dipping. Cut each mozzarella stick in half for smaller sticks or leave whole. Place them on a tray and freeze for at least 1 hour. In one bowl, add flour. In another bowl, whisk eggs and milk. In a third bowl, mix breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, black pepper, and Parmesan cheese. Dredge each frozen mozzarella stick in flour, coating evenly. Dip into the egg mixture, ensuring full coverage. Roll in the breadcrumb mixture, pressing gently for adhesion. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry in small batches for 30 to 60 seconds, until golden brown. Remove and drain on paper towels. Serve hot with marinara sauce for dipping.